What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nietzsche Falcone, aka Nietzsche Nancy, aka Nietzsche Noodles, hit you in your oodles. And none of this is financial advice. But there's a stock that's been going crazy si- for the past, maybe I'll say 4 to 5 months. So I looked into Robinhood around June, and around June, I started looking at Robinhood when it was around $10. So I've been buying options, just riding the way up. Because when else I saw this chart, but I see the company, Robinhood has been making, they're a profitable company. The app is always constantly updating. They're always adding new things. So I was like, let me see, let's look more into Robinhood. And then it's just been going up little by little over the past 4 or 5 months. You feel me? The all-time high is $55. So I see Robinhood as being one of the more successful stocks going into 2025, especially in the beginning of 2025. You know what I'm saying? In that first quarter, I see Robinhood doing really well in about $45. You know what I'm saying? So let's just look more into it. So, and this new news been coming out about Robinhood as well. So they recently added another cryptocurrency to the trading platform, which is just going to bring more users, uh, onboard some new users as well too. And you can actually they have their own crypto wallet where you can actually send the cryptocurrencies to other wallets and things like that. Pop-ups killing me. So let me make sure y'all can see the screen. All right. So Dog with Hat is now available to trade on Robinhood. Can that stop its underperformance against Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? So the key points: the long-term impact of Dog with Hat's listing on Robinhood crypto remains to be seen. Yo, the fact that Dog with Hat is listed on a major like exchange is hilarious to me. Crypto traders predict future upside for Dog with Hat, the possible all-time high in December or January. Um, I had some Dog with Hat. I sold it. You know what I mean? I felt like I found it too late when it was already in the hundreds of millions of market cap, and I ain't really want to buy that. So, so it recently got listed on Robinhood. Dog with Hat. That's bullish news for Robinhood. I could see there's the company doing it. That's helping Robinhood stock as well. I'm just giving you guys reasons why I think Robinhood stock is gonna keep going up. Robinhood gets Morgan Stanley upgrade, big price target raise on Trump win. So key takeaways: Morgan Stanley boosted Robinhood markets rating and more than doubled its price target on Monday. You feel me? So calling the online trading platform one of the biggest winners from Donald Trump's presidential election victory. Calling the online trading platform one of the biggest winners from Donald Trump's presidential election victory. And as we know, you're going to see a lot of Trumpflation with these stocks. Just because he's in office, a lot of stocks are going to go crazy. A lot of stocks are going to keep surging and keep rallying because he's in office. And I'm not mad at it, honestly. I'm just going to keep playing the core game. I'm not doing no puts. The analyst said Robinhood would benefit from a likely reduction in cryptocurrency regulation by the Trump administration. And he's for crypto. As we know, he's for crypto. He's for us making some money. The investment bank said it expects a robust retail trading environment ahead. So a lot of retail traders is going to come into the space. I feel like Robinhood is going to unload a lot of first time stock traders because my first ever options trade I ever did was on Robinhood. Not my first ever stock I bought was on Robinhood. My first stock where I bought over like $500 worth of stocks, it was on Robinhood. So Robinhood is a very I see it as like, all right, Robinhood right now is, say like a older trader is gonna look at it like, oh, why are you using that? But kids that's like 25 and under, they're gonna have like hundreds of thousands on their Robinhood account. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be real. Like it's gonna become one of those normal things where Robinhood is just like your bank account. You're just looking at it. It's just easy. It's easy to use. Very user friendly. It looks cool. It looks good. That's what Robinhood always had. They always had the look, the aesthetic. Like if the app just aesthetically pleasing, Robinhood is very aesthetically pleasing. It looks very nice. So that attracts retail investors. You feel me? Like that attracts the normal person that never looked at a stock in their life. That attracts it just attracts people that, not don't want to think about it too much. Shares of Robinhood Markets. Hood is the ticker symbol. Advanced Monday after Morgan Stanley upgraded the stock and more than doubled its price target, saying the online trading platform was amongst the biggest winners from the presidential election outcome. The bank raised its rating to overweight from equal weight and boosted Robinhood's price target from to $55 from $24. If you see me, my price target was $35. And as we can see, it's already past that. Like by January, I was thinking it'd be at like $35, something like that. And that was me looking at it in like June. Not even. Let's say I was looking at it in July or August. I was like $35 seems reasonable since the old time I was 55. You know what I mean? And then it's actually a good company. That's another thing too. Some people will look at the thing and just be looking at the chart and like thinking, nah, it's not only chart analysis, bro. The company, like with stocks, the company has to be trending or the company has to be good, bro. Hopefully it's both. You know what I mean? Like something like an Nvidia. Feel me? Like Nvidia was good company, plus the shit was trending. You know what I mean? Plus it's popular. You know what I mean? Hopefully we get both in the run up to the $55 price target. And then the way this stuff is, the way Trump is, like Trump's election is making people rally to like go and buy more stocks and buy whatever they doing, get more positions into the market. Is people are doing that from Trump's election. So even this $55 price target, it could go past that. Like everything is going past a lot of price targets right now since Trump is in office. So if something hasn't hit its previous price target, it has a possibility to even go past it. Um, President-elect Trump has called for the U.S. to be the cryptocurrency capital of the planet. Thank you, God. And the analyst wrote that potential deregulation enables Hood to participate more aggressively in crypto. Hopefully they hurry up so we could start leverage trading, bro. If I could start leverage trading crypto, boy, I'm gonna lose all my damn money. Now let me stop playing. But you could lose all your damn money as well as I think I could make some money without. You could really lose some money with leverage trading. But I could just keep adding margin to it. Potential deregulation, rising M&A and IPOs bode well for the trading platform. They added the post-election animal spirits associated with the deregulation, along with recovery in mergers and acquisitions, M&A activity, and eventually initial public offerings, IPOs, likely lead to a robust retail trading environment in 2025. Morgan Stanley boosted its outlook for Robinhood's revenue growth by 6% for 2025, 13% for 2026, 21% for 2027, and increased its earnings per share EPS guidance by 10%, 28%, and 50%, respectively, over those same years. Robinhood market shares on Monday traded at their highest level since October 2021, recently up more than 2% at 37.53. At the time of this recording, Robinhood is at 36.80, according to their app itself. So, so I think Robinhood is just one of the better stocks to buy right now. Just honestly, at this point, um, I have an option right now, but it doesn't expire till January 17th, so I'm not too worried about it. Um, I think it's gonna go past like, or I'll at least break even. So I'm not too worried about it, but I'm just gonna keep killing it with the options. To be honest, that's what it's looking like for me. I'm just gonna keep doing my thing with the options and just keep watching Robinhood stock. Robinhood is definitely like my top one for 2025. There's other ones, of course, the more popular stocks. But Robinhood, for me personally, Robinhood is my favorite stock for 2025. The fact that I'm using the app all the time and then making money off the stock is just so beautiful to me. Like, so that's why it's one of my favorite stocks. 2025, and I think it actually do well and hit a lot of the price targets set out by analysts. So probably even blow past them. Um, Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. And remember to follow all the social media in the top right corner of the page. Once again, it's your boy Nietzsche Falcon, aka Niche Nancy, aka Niche Noodles, hitching your oodles. Peace.